Welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Mark here with the C from Canada, doing another Ninja air fryer review. This is the brand new Ninja EzView Air Fryer Max XL. Little see-through window here. I don't know if you can zoom in, Jamie, and see it. I think it's gonna be a bit of a novelty, to be honest, because it's pretty small, the window, but it's a nice little compact unit. We'll give you all the stats on it later, height, weight, capacity, whatever. So we have it preheated. We're just gonna do a bag of frozen French fries. We've got our temperature at 400. We're gonna put our time up to 20 minutes, even though it does say on the fries here, 12 minutes, impossible, impossible. And we get chirped all the time from people who watch, and we love you, by the way, about you guys don't follow the instructions, you don't do this, you don't do that. Listen, we're borderline pros here. No, we're not. But we've done a ton of air fryer reviews, so we kind of know what we're talking about. So, McCain's Fries, big company here in Canada. Boom. In to the air fryer basket. Pretty full. Now that you got something in there, window's a little bit more clear, right, Jamie? Can you see that?
Quite clear, actually.
Quite clear, he says.
Surprisingly clear.
Surprisingly clear. So we're gonna let that start to cook and give it roughly our 20 minutes. We'll probably shake it halfway through. I do wanna mention, we'd love hearing from you, and I love hearing where you're from. World traveler here, I think 42 countries I've been to. So don't forget to leave us a comment and let us know where you're from. And if you wanna support us, the best way to do so is to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We really appreciate all of your comments and all the love. Let's get that some time to cook and we'll come back and check it out. 17 minutes into the cook, and I think these look fantastic. They did clump together a little bit, but not too bad. That is a fair size plate of fries to cook all at once. So I'm gonna give them a light dusting of salt. And depending on how well cooked you like your food, Jamie and I are crispy guys. I have 2 kids. One of my boys is a ketchup monster, gets used all the time here. So I'm always nervous when I pop the lid. And if you're a parent, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. I mean, I've seen it way worse, but that's pretty much standard for my household. So we're just gonna give us a little bit of ketchup here, a little bit, maybe a lot of ketchup. So I'm gonna push this aside. And I got a whole box of chicken nuggets, nuggies as Jamie likes to call them. We're gonna put the whole box in here. So give me 30 seconds to get that set up. And while these are starting to cool down a little bit, we'll get the nuggies in. All right, so it's just saying, the box says traditional oven, 425, 12 to 15 minutes. Wow, it's gonna take way more time than that. There's your whole box of nuggies. We're gonna set it for 20 minutes and see how they look. But I was pretty impressed on how quickly these fries got cooked. So in the meantime, let's try one. Jamie stunk one while I was getting that ready. Actually perfect for my and a couple darker ones. Jamie, what do you think?
Perfect.
We are on record-setting pace here, 15 minutes, and these nuggets look unbelievable. And Jamie and I were just talking off camera. We've done Ninja videos before where nuggets took what, Jamie, 30 minutes? 35 minutes? 15 minutes for these. And for some of you, our loyal, loving fans, these may be a little on the dark side. For us, they're perfect. I think they look unbelievable. You know, you come home from a bar night, throw in some nuggies. This is where it's at. So now we got some matzo sticks, or matzo bites, I guess. They're kind of these small little matzos. President's Choice, big company here in Canada. Showing 425 traditional oven, conventional oven, or conventional oven, 8 to 10 minutes. So I think because this thing is supercharged, it appears, that maybe we'll start with 8 minutes. What do you think, Jamie?
Yep.
So I'm gonna take this basket out and I'm just gonna throw these in. And they say not to crowd them, I get that. I mean, it's gonna be impossible to place them and we might as well just do the whole bag, so whatever. So I don't know if I mentioned it, 1750 watts, which I think, by memory, is roughly the same wattage as normal. 8 minutes. I can't even explain it. Maybe it's the design of this one, the shape of it. We've done a lot of dual basket ones. I don't know, but like the proof is in the pudding here. I mean, that is like record pace, 15 minutes. I'm blown away. Got a recent comment that made me laugh the other day saying, video's not complete until Marc burns himself. I can't even pick that up, it's so hot. I was gonna bite into it, but on the side of caution, maybe I'll wait another minute or so. All right, according to the book, and you know we're not really big book guys, but we're trying our best.
Well, I gotta go home, guys. I'm gonna sit on the toilet and read comic books.
It will do 3 pounds of wings or 3 pounds of fries. It is a 5.5 quart, as previously mentioned, 1750 watts. It stands a little on the tall side, roughly 14.5 inches. And the depth of it, roughly 14 inches. And I'll just step out of the shot here for a sec. And then the width is roughly 11 inches. So somewhat compact, a little on the tall side, but to do 3 pounds of wings in that basket, we're gonna do wings actually after these ones, and we'll see how it does. But so far, we're extremely impressed. So that was my stall tactic here to dig into a nuggie. A little plum sauce, which I've learned is a Canadian thing, sweet and sour plum sauce. I don't know. If you guys get it where you're from, let us know. You can't, very hard to find in the United States. Oh yeah, perfect. Super crispy on the outside, very, very moist, tender, processed chicken on the inside. Very good. Jamie, I know you're a nuggie guy. Jamie may have this plate done. 5.5 minutes left on these Mozzarella sticks. Jamie may crush this plate of nuggies. Maybe. All right, Jamie would have had the whole plate of nuggies done if these didn't cook so fast. Way to turn them off, it was so fast. Under 5 minutes. Bit of a Mozzarella stick disaster, but every single time we do Mozzarella sticks in an air fryer here, pretty much the same result. So if you have a trick or a technique to subvert this, please let me know. Whew. Hot. Little marinara here. Should I?
Oh yeah.
Well, very good. Gonna give this a quick wipe out, and then we're gonna get some wings in. Got I don't know, there's roughly a pound, maybe 15 wings in there, 1.5 pounds of these Costco marinated wings. So I hope they don't stick together. We'll see, they shouldn't. Normally wings take, in our tests that we've done, 35 to 40 minutes to the desired crispiness that we like. We're gonna set this at 25 minutes and check. And what I wanna do is this has a max crisp setting, which you can see here, and it will do up to 450 degrees. So I wanna show you that. And what I think I'd like to do is maybe in the last 5 to 7 minutes of the cook, I'd like to flip it over to max crisp to see if we can really notice a difference. It'll be hard to measure it, but we'll see if we can notice a difference and get those wings nice and crispy. So we're gonna let these cook and we'll come back and check them probably about 15 minutes. We'll come back and see how they're looking. Did 20 minutes on regular cook, and then we're just under 5 minutes on the Maxi Crisp. Now I will put a little disclosure out there that the dark color is as a result of the marinade. They are certainly not burnt by any means. So just so you know, they look super nice. The marinade on them, like I said, is dark. And maybe I said to Jamie, maybe that was a mistake. Maybe I should have just done regular wings, but I wanted to just try these and see how they would cook here. So these are definitely something that are gonna take some time to cool. You can see that's a good sized plate of wings. I didn't really count them up. We're gonna get these, give them an opportunity to cool. I do wanna mention cleaning on this entire unit, including the crisper basket at the bottom, are dishwasher safe. The main unit is not. And it does have several functions: max crisp, air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, reheat, and the famous dehydrate that Jamie and I always kind of laugh about, because who's buying one of these to put banana chips in them for an hour? Not us. All right, so Jamie and I a while ago came up with a scoring matrix for 6 different functions or scoring matrix of everything we review. And this scored extremely high. Let me walk you through it. The price on this is $179 Canadian. So on the price point, we gave that an 8 out of 10. Everything's out of 10. Functionality was a 9.2. It worked impeccably well, super fast, super efficient. Versatility a little on the low side, 7.5. And the reason for that is we've reviewed several products that are air fryers and also indoor grills, and they bake. So, I mean, this is an air fryer. Let's call a spade, it's an air fryer. So a little on the low side of versatility. Cleaning, 8.8. Super simple. The whole thing can go in the dishwasher. except for this, but you don't have to clean this anyway, so really, really easy. The size, I think it's a perfect size, 3 pounds of wings, 3 pounds of fries, 8.2, and the quality very, very high. Ninja product, the buttons are easy to find and landmark and use. Worked extremely well, so 9.4. So overall, average kitchen score, 8.5. So let's try one of these wings. So I almost wish I didn't pick these wings. I wish I would have gotten either raw wings or a battered wing. So they're crispy, they're cooked nice. That's our video. Really hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.